Welcome back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we'll make mint margarita. First of all, you need some lemon. I'm using ice pack squeezed lemon juice. It's very easy, come in handy. If you don't have lemons at home, you can actually use one of these frozen ones. So we need mint. These are the dried mint leaves. I'm putting it in the blender. Now I'm adding lemon juice in it. It's up to you how much sour you want it. You can add the lemon juice as per your taste. Now I'm adding a little bit of water and I'll give it a good blend. Let's check. Now it seems ready. I'll add water in it, some black salt, sugar, and we'll blend it all together. The amount of sugar and salt depend on your taste. If you want it more sweet, you can add more sugar, and if you have BP issue, then don't add the salt in it. So I'm just adding water in it and then I'll blend it all together. Let's check if it's ready. Yes, it's ready. I actually like to add some fresh lemon as well. So I'm going to my kitchen garden and we'll get some fresh lemons and we'll squeeze that into the mixture. So now it's ready and you can pour it into the glass. Don't forget to stain it. You can actually add the mint flavor Sprite in it as well. Some people do like it. It adds a bit of punch in it. So the taste really enhances. So you can add that. Now your lemonade mint margarita is ready. Enjoy!